Hi everyone, this is Swaraj, and this is my second day of improving my speaking skill by uploading videos. I continue reading The Art of Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie, and I completed a few chapters. So, in this video, I'll share what I learned in a simple way. Okay, uh, the first chapter I have completed is acquiring confidence before an audience. Most people think once we get confidence, then we will start speaking. But according to the big Dale Carnegie, the first chapter talks about confidence. The biggest learning for me is this: confidence doesn't come before speaking; it comes after practice. So we have to keep practicing to build our confidence, and we don't have to wait for the confidence to speak. Dale Carnegie says, start speaking regularly, accept nervousness, focus on your message. So basically, the more we speak, the more we confident become. Okay. So the second chapter is the sin of monotony. This chapter talks about something very common: monotony. Monotony means speaking in the same tone without any variation. And honestly, this makes the listener bored. So we should change our tone, add energy, and show emotion while speaking. This makes our communication more interesting. So, and that's the third part. The third chapter is emphasize and subordinate. This chapter is about giving importance to the right words. Not every word is equal and equally important. Some words need emphasize. For example, instead of saying everything in the same way, we should highlight important points. This helps the listener understand better. The chapter 4 is change of pitch. This is something I found very useful. Pitch means high and low tone of your voice. If we speak in a flat tone, it becomes boring. But if we sometimes speak higher, sometimes lower, it adds life to our speech and make our speech very livable. Change of pace. Chapter 5. This chapter is about speed. Sometimes we speak too fast, sometimes too slow. This is the key balance for the speech, for the communication. For important points, we have to speak slowly so that our listener can pay more attention to the important points. And for the normal points, we have to speak in normal speed. This improves clarity to the audience, to the listener, and even though it's a speaker. The chapter 6, pause and power. This is one of the most powerful lesson. Pause means stopping for a moment, and honestly, pause makes your speech stronger. For example, you can pause before an important point, after a key sentence. A small pause create a very important impact. For me, today's biggest learning is speaking is just not about words, it's about how we deliver them. For example, tone, pitch, pace, pause, all the things are matters for speaking. This is the day 2 of my journey. I'm learning and improving step by step. If you are also trying to improve your speaking skill, you can join me on this journey. Let's grow together. Thank you.